AI-generated videos advance every day. Don't believe it? Watch this.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This video was created from simple text using MovieReel AI. Today, I will review MovieReel AI to show you how it converts any text into professional animated AI videos and movies in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in.
Welcome to MovieReel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use MovieReel AI to create short movies, stories, ads, and videos for your faceless YouTube, TikTok, Instagram channels, and even for your clients. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you can create a new project by simply entering an idea, or if you have a ready-made script, you can copy paste that script. For our demo, we're going to go with an idea. So I'm going to click on the right prompt. I'm going to give it an idea. Let's say I want to create a short story video about a space cat who turns into a space pirate. Now, that's all I have to write and click on next. Now, what MovieReel AI is going to do, it's going to take this idea and convert it into an entire story with characters, dialogues, narration, and everything added in between. Now, once your script and your story is ready, you can modify it, review it, and click on next to start generating your cast and characters. Now, MovieReel AI is going to create AI generated characters for your story, for your movie, and then you can give your product name, pick from 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1 video. Next, you can pick, do you want dialogues in your movie or do you want it to be a narration based video? So you can pick from all these different narrator voices and create, for example, we're going to pick this one. We're going to do a narration based video, and these are the characters. Now, if you don't like the characters, what you can do is you can switch, add voice, face switch, or edit these characters, or if you want, you can add a new character as well based on your own face or character. Next, you can pick from over 50 different types of videos. So you can create a shadow box, you can create anime style, cybernetic, horror, grudge, luxury, abstract, whatever design you want, you could do it. For our case, let's do a horror and click on next. Now what you see here is it has divided your story and script into multiple screens. Now in our case, we have about 6 different screens that have been created. Next, we're going to go on creating the shots. Now, what MovieReel AI is going to do is going to take that script and start converting that script into full storyboard with animated images, image to video, dialogues, voiceover, music, background effects, everything all added for you, including a thumbnail that's created for you, as you can see right over here. Now let's try and edit this video. Now as you can see, MovieReel has created all the 6 scenes right over here that you can see, and each scene is full of different images, all AI generated with shot type, character dialogues, camera angles, lighting, mood, that all of these can be customized completely. And wherever there's a dialogue, you can select the dialogue and you can pick who the dialogue is going to be spoken by. And you can see there are all different scenes that have been created, all sorts of different images, with complete stories, everything is here. Now what you can do is the image that you see here is going to have wide angle shot and some animation on it, but what we want to do is we want to turn it into a video. So I'm going to copy this prompt, click on generate video and put prompt for video and click on generate and let AI create a video clip out of this little scene. And now when I mouse over on this image, you can see it has been created into a short video clip. Now I'm going to do the same with a couple of these clips right here. Generate video. I'm going to leave this as it is. I'm going to do this one, generate video. And of course, if I want to add, edit, or modify anything in any of these images by adding text or whatever, I can do that by clicking on short editor. That takes me to the short editor. And over here, I can change the frame. I can add text layer. I can add more images, character dialogue, sound effect, volume setting. I can customize it as I want. Now heading back, you can see the videos are being generated. The same way I can modify all these different scenes and I can add more to it. I can remove more from it. And then once I'm ready, once all of these are done, once the videos are generated, I can preview it. And you can see the video in action over here, and all the clips will be put together so you can preview and see how the whole thing looks like. And once you're ready, you click on render and the video will start rendering for you to start downloading and publishing it on Facebook, YouTube, or wherever you want. Now you can also create new characters and reuse all the characters from your previous videos into a combined video if you want to do that. And then of course you can schedule and build up an entire month's worth of movies and video clips and education content, entertainment content, and ads on your multiple Facebook, YouTube accounts, all from the single dashboard over here. Or of course, you can always download them and publish them wherever you want. And rendering is super fast, and that's how MovieReel helps you create an incredible short movie that is entertaining and tells a story like never before. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.
Now, let's talk about MovieReel AI Front-End, OTOs, and Bundle Deal. To give you an overview of what you will get with each upgrade. MovieReel AI Front-End. This is the core software known as the front-end offer. It has two options. Option 1 is MovieReel AI Starters. Its price is only $35. It includes the features listed below. Personal rights. Text-to-movie access. Turn your ideas into movies with simple text. Create 10 movies. Create short movies up to 1 minute long. AI recommends movie topics and titles. AI write movie script. AI creates movie. Create 916 movies, vertical. Create movies using Trinity AI Matrix, proprietary tech. Create full movies from your scripts. Create amazing movies with different video styles. Control how every scene looks. Customize every shot your way. Add professional camera movements. Create and customize characters. Auto voiceover creation for movies. English, Spanish, French, Hindi support. Choose from millions of images. Choose from thousands of background music. Upload your videos to YouTube. Upload your videos to Facebook. Share videos on multiple social platforms. Edit every frame like a pro. Make videos in different screen sizes. Add sound effects and music to your videos. Choose weather and time of day. Download your movies. Dedicated support and regular updates. 6 months. Detailed training included. Video plus PDF. 14 days money-back guarantee. No bonus included. Option 2 is MovieReel AI Premium. Its price is only $67. It includes the features listed below. Commercial rights. Sell your movies anywhere. Text-to-movie access. Turn your ideas into movies with simple text. Create 50 movies. Create short movies up to 5 minutes long. AI recommends movie topics and titles. AI write movie script. AI assisted movie templates. AI creates movie. Create 916 movies, vertical. Create 16:9 movies, horizontal. Create 1:1 movies, square. Create movies using Trinity AI Matrix, proprietary tech. Create full movies from your scripts. Create amazing movies with different video styles. Control how every scene looks. Customize every shot your way. Add professional camera movements. Create and customize characters. Use your face to animate characters. Clone your own voice for narration. Turn your story into a complete video. Auto voiceover creation for movies. English, Spanish, French, Hindi support. Choose from millions of images. Choose from thousands of background music. Upload your videos to YouTube. Upload your videos to Facebook. Share videos on multiple social platforms. Edit every frame like a pro. Make videos in different screen sizes. Add sound effects and music to your videos. Choose weather and time of day. Use pre-made video templates. Export movies in HD. Save different versions of your movies. Draw and sketch your ideas. Add text and captions to your videos. Make multiple changes to your videos. Download your movies. Publish your movies on any platform. Dedicated support and regular updates. 12 months. Detailed training included. Video plus PDF. 14 days money-back guarantee. Bonus training webinar. How to make fast cash using MovieReel. Bonus number 1. Commercial license upgrade. Bonus number 2. Red carpet live training. Bonus number 3. 300 AI credits. Bonus number 4. Article. 2. Voice creator. Bonus number 5. Website traffic blaster. Bonus number 6. SEO software pro. MovieReel AI OTO 1. Its price is only $67. It includes the features listed below. Create unlimited movies. Create longer movies, up to 15 minutes. Create unlimited scenes in movies. Create and save unlimited movie drafts. Unlimited social channels. Unlimited publishing. Create FHD videos, 30 minutes length. 75 plus animation styles. 65 plus video transition styles. Share on Instagram and TikTok. Priority video rendering on request. Account Manager plus priority support. Bonus. MovieTube Pro. Fast Action Bonus. Advanced Analytics and Reporting. Fast Action Bonus. Free Cloud Storage. Fast Action Bonus. TikTok Viral Traffic Training. Fast Action Bonus. YouTube Lead Gen App. Fast Action Bonus. Underground Traffic Secrets. MovieReel AI OTO 2. Its price is only $67. It includes the features listed below. Remove MovieReel branding from all videos. One-click translation for videos. 100 plus languages. Multilingual voiceovers. 20 languages. 50 new voiceovers and accents. Trim Reel Video Shape feature. Reel Merge Video feature. Use multiple voices in movies. Photo Video Maker. Facebook Video Maker. YouTube Video Maker. Instagram Video Maker. Instagram Story Maker. Promo Video Maker. Video Ad Maker. Marketing Video Maker. LinkedIn Video Maker. Explainer Video Maker. Education Video Maker. E-commerce Video Maker. Fast Action Bonus. No monthly payment. Fast Action Bonus. MovieReel AI Pro GFX. Fast Action Bonus. MovieReel AI Pro Traffic. Fast Action Bonus. MovieReel AI Propages. Fast Action Bonus. Easy Video Sales Pages. MovieReel AI OTO 3. Its price is only $57. It includes the features listed below. Agency license with white label rebranding. DFY reseller license. Virtual and team member access. Course creation agency website. Custom PayPal checkout integration. Add featured samples of services offered. Add client's testimonial. Allow clients to schedule appointments. 5-year web hosting included. Create client review accounts. DFY client contract templates. Bonus, ready-made client contracts. Bonus, DFY lead magnets. Bonus, 100 plus DFY FB ad plus copy templates. Fast Action Bonus, Enterprise Social Media DFY content. Fast Action Bonus, Instant Web Graphics. Fast Action Bonus, no monthly fee. MovieReel AI OTO 4. Its price is only $57. It includes access 100 plus niches guaranteed to make you money. DFY video scripts that'll 10x your video engagement and shares. Live FB and webinar training on using your tools to full potential. Live FB and webinar training on digital marketing secret strategies. Access to all live trainings recording forever. Live FB and network, ask question, get critique and more with like-minded marketers. 9 Power Starter Courses. Jumpstart your learning using these powerful yet easy-to-grasp courses. With this, you get instant access to simple social media content. Facebook Ads 101. Video Teaser Blueprint. YouTube Channel Growth. Video Launch Method. YouTube channel so image search secrets, social media automation, course engagement hacks. MovieReel AI Bundle. Its price is only $317. Use coupon code AMOVIES for $50 off. It includes the MovieReel AI Front-End and all the OTOs mentioned earlier, along with their features. Additionally, it includes more apps like PlayerNeos Advanced, TuneReel Premium, CoinCart, and their features. There are also many bonuses such as advanced analytics and reporting, free cloud storage, TikTok viral traffic training, get 100,000 followers in a week, $199, YouTube lead gen app, $127, and underground traffic sources. We are at the end of this review. Please note that to purchase the OTOs, you must first obtain the core MovieReel AI front-end software. The OTOs will not work without this initial purchase. Alternatively, you can purchase the bundle to access all features in one package. For the link, check the description or comment box below. Thanks for watching.